Lisa. That's L-I-S-A. Lisa. And today I have PopIt. Whoa. This is a hard PopIt. And look, I have a smaller PopIt too. Whoa. And I have another PopIt right over here. Another heart.
Yippee!
Let's count my heart PopIts. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that is 3 PopIts. Whoa.
Yeah!
Can you see how this one is bigger than this one? Whoa. Okay, which one is bigger? This one or this one? Yes, it's this one. Well done. Whoa. And today I want to make some ice lollies with fruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Lisa loves fruit. And I love berries. But what will I need for that? I know. I will need some milk. And here is my milk. And you can make lots of yummy food using milk. And I will also need, I'll need to freeze them. I will need some condensed milk. That's right. Whoa, to give it some texture. And then what else will I need? Did I say I'm gonna use berries? Yes, I love berries.
Yippee!
And I have some berries right over here. Whoa, can you see them?
Awesome!
Oh, my berries! Shall we do some PopIts first?
Yeah!
Okay. Whoa, I love playing PopIts. It's so much fun. Pop, 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 pop. Now let's make some lollies.
Yippee!
And I will need a bowl. That's right. To mix everything together. Whoa. Look. Hello. It's Lisa. Look at this big bowl. And inside, I will put some milk. Give it a bit of a shake. Whoa, shaky, 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 shaky.
Whoa! It won't flow!
And now I will need some condensed milk. That's right. Whoa, let's open it. Oh, and be very careful with the can. You will need a grown-up to help you because it has sharp edges.
Yippee!
Whoa, and by the way, I know it smells really tasty, but we should not lick it with our tongue. No. Why? You're so clever. How did you know that? That's right, because cans have very, very sharp edges, or the lid is very sharp, okay? Okay, let's open up the berries.
Yeah!
Wow, look at these berries. Yummy.
Yippee!
Whoa. Raspberry, blackberry, blackcurrant, and cranberry. Yummy. Whoa. Now let's put them inside. Whoa. Now, not all of them, just half of them. Whoa. Wow. Can you see all the berries inside?
Yeah!
Whoa. And I'm going to use a little mix spoon. It's kind of a spoon. Oh, and it is the color blue. One of Lisa's 2 favorite colors. Now let's mix. Whoa, look how cool this looks. Wee. Can you see the berries?
Yeah!
Yummy.
Yippee!
Whoa. This is an electric mixture, and you need to be quite careful and ask a grown-up to help you with one. And here is, the jug. Whoa, look at it. It's so big. Now I will need to put everything from this bowl into this mixing jug. Okay, let's pour it in. Whoa! Whee! Perfect. I need to close the jug because if I don't, everything will just come out and it will go everywhere. Whoa! So let's close it. There we go. Perfect. And now we can turn it on. There we go. That's the on button. Whoa. And I think I want to make ice crush. There we go. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! Can you see how it's mixing together?
Yeah!
Whoa! What color is it? It's kind of a purple color. Wow, so cool. Let's turn it off. Whoa, there we go. Does that look like it's finished? Let's have a look inside. Whoa. Now, is it mixed? Yeah, I think that's finished. Perfect. Make sure to also wash your poppets before doing this, just like Lisa did. You need to have your poppet on the other side. That's right, so the poppets are all facing downwards and you can no longer pop them. So make sure all your poppets are down so you can't pop anything. There's nothing to pop, okay? You can very carefully start pouring this in.
Awesome!
There we go. Whoa, look at my heart. Whoa, it's going to be a lolly so soon and a yummy lolly too. And we have 2 more to do, the small ones.
Yippee!
Perfect. And this one. Whoa, need to put our poppet inside. Whee! Whoa. And look, come here. Can you see the lines of the poppets right there? Okay, well, it's best not to see them. So I'm going to add a bit more drops. There we go. Whoa. Okay, I will now need to take them to my kitchen. Come on. But you better do this in your kitchen because it can get pretty messy. Let's go. I want to add a few more berries onto my poppets. Look, like this. Better wash my hands. Ooh, I have a paper towel right here. Hey, Lisa is very clean, just like you. Whoa, and there is my freezer waiting. And you may need a grown-up to help you with this. Right inside the freezer. Whee! In they go. And now I will need to wait about 2 hours until they are frozen and they'll be yummy to eat. Hi, Aurora. I like your dress. It's very pink. Oh, why, thank you, Belle. I like your dress. It's very yellow. Whoa, Aurora, I like your cat. Oh, thank you. Yes, my cat is white. Belle, I like your flower. Oh, thank you, Aurora. My flower is a red rose. I love playing dolls. Woo! I think my ice lollies are ready. Let's go get them. I'm so excited. Yum, 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 yum.
Run!
Yay! It's time to get our lollies out. Whoa! Let's get them out. Look at the hearts, so frozen. Whee! Back to the table to get them out. Come on. Here I am. Wow! And look, our poppet ice lolly hearts have now frozen. Whoa! Look, they are really hard. See? Whoa! I can't pop that. Pop, 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 pop. Let's count how many hearts we have. 1, 2, 3.
Yippee!
Well, who wants me to get them out? Press right if you want me to get them out. Yay! So excited. Whoa! Whoa, look! Look at the puppet on the other side. Whoa, so cool. One bit kind of broke off, but there it is. Looks so cool. Whoa. Now, let me taste this one. That is so yummy. Look, can you see the puppet? Whoa. my teeth. Well, that was so funny. And I'm gonna try my best not to crack it. Whoa! It did not crack! I'm so happy! Look at my puppet! It is so cute! Whoa! All the puppets right on there. Pop, 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 pop. Whoa! So cool! I better get a photo with this one very quickly. Whee! Such a cool photo! Now time to take a bite. Yeah! So yummy! I really love this puppet. Whoa! And look at the berries right there. They are so yummy. Look at my hands. Whoa! They are so slimy. That is because the puppet is melting. That's right, because ice, well, something frozen, once brought into the room can turn to room temperature. Look at this big heart. It is so big. And I love the heart shape because the heart shape means love. And love is a wonderful thing.
Yippee!
Wow, well, shall we get it out? Whoa, look. It is so huge. It is bigger than Lisa's head. Hello. 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 Hey. Hello. Hey. Whoa. Okay, let's try and get this out without breaking it. Wow, how am I gonna do it? Okay, I'm just gonna try and go around the edges.
Awesome!
Whoa! Look at that! I got the big hard puppet out! Whoa! And it did crack a little bit, but that's okay. It was so big, right? Yeah! Whoa! Look how big and cool it is. Let's spin it around. Whee! Wow! So cool! Whoa! Gotta eat that bit. Pop, 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 pop. Whoa, look, there's a berry inside of this one. And this is a blackberry. Let's taste it.
Yippee!
So yummy. Wow, I had so much fun. Wow, and maybe I can make some banana puppets as well. That'd be awesome. And you can choose so many fruits to do at home yourself. That's right. Whoa, and you can make something like this or something smaller. Maybe you can do a dinosaur or another shape that you really like. Wow, that's so much fun. Now, I can't wait to see you in my next video. And before then, search for my name. That's Lisa. L-I-S-A. Lisa. Lisa World Education. So we can learn and have fun all at the same time.
Yippee!
See you soon. Bye. Whoa. Oh, can you please hit that big red subscribe button underneath this video? Give Lisa a big thumbs up. That's below this video too. Thank you. See you soon.